Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Victorinox 111mm Soldier Swiss Army knife. And this is kind of an interesting Swiss Army knife. For one thing that makes it kind of distinct is it's supposed to be one-hand opening for the main blade. And so let's see how my one-hand opening works. So you can actually open it one-handed. It's got a half serrated, half not serrated blade. And it also has a liner lock. You see right here. I'm kind of lukewarm toward the whole liner lock thing. I prefer other locking mechanisms. Can't talk today. I prefer other locking mechanisms to the liner lock. This one has a pretty substantial wood saw, and it's kind of interesting. It's got a little bit of a weird curve to it in the wood saw. That's a little different from normal. I guess it gives you a better angle though when you're sawing. That's interesting. I think that's the first one I've seen that has that weird angle to it, or at least the first time I've noticed it. Alright, so in addition to those goodies, you have the standard Swiss Army knife Victorinox can opener with the flathead screwdriver. Now, one thing that I was interested to check out is this. This has like an extra large bottle opener thing. Bottle opener tool, and what it is it's intended as like a pry bar in addition to bottle opener, because you can see this is thicker. This is pretty solidly thick. You still get the token wire stripper there, but the other thing that's interesting is this one also locks. Like it's also the liner lock also affects it, so you have a lockable pry bar, which is kind of cool. So no toothpick or tweezers. I don't know why they left those off. On the back, you have the standard awl. No hole for this one. No little hole in that one. And you have a Phillips head screwdriver. And it looks like you could probably get a pretty solid grip on it to Phillips head screwdriver things. Kind of a neat knife. I'm not super crazy about the one-hand opening thing though. I just feel like all the other, like maybe I could learn to do it, but I feel all the other one-hand opening things are just, well, like, quick comparison. Here's a Benchmade bug out. That's the one-hand opening version of that. And even if you're not going to cheat and pull down the axis lock or cut the tip off your glove, even if you're not going to do that, you can flip it open with the nub, and it just seems to flip much easier. Maybe the Swiss Army knife thing has to. Maybe the knife has to loosen up. It just feels like it's not one-handed. It's one-handed opening, but it's not one-handed both ways. Because like I can open it one-handed eventually, and then I guess I can close it one-handed. Let's see. I feel like this is one of those things that's going to turn into me ruining a set of gloves and having to break out the My Little Pony Band-Aids. So it's sort of one-hand closing. I could probably learn how to one-hand close this if I worked at it. I don't know. What do you think? What do you think of the one-hand opening Swiss Army knives? Are they worth it? Let me know what you think in the comments. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.